What is up, my Purpe fam? How's everybody doing on this, what is it, Tuesday? I don't even know anymore. Yeah, this Tuesday evening. How's everybody doing? Hopefully you're having a good week. Tomorrow is the middle of the week, and then we got that much closer to the weekend. So let's go ahead and get it done and get the information. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got when it comes to Purpe. Let me go ahead and refresh this real quick so we can get the latest information. We are at 1641, $6.92 million market cap, liquidity 462.11, and holders 46.41. So Purpe is doing a really good job at sticking to around that $7 million level. As we can see, we have the $7 million level as pretty good support right here. A little bit below is okay, but it looks like we are going to get mid-March. We are going to get a decision that needs to be made on Purple Pepe, and we will see that here in a couple of days, right? Probably, what's today? So we got, by next Friday, we will get a decision on what Purple Pepe is wanting to do. I hope, I think it should be going up. I mean, I think what we're seeing is we're seeing a lot of like fear, uncertainty, doubt in the market, and I think that we're bound to get a pause, a reversal, and it continued to come up throughout the whole entire market. As we can see, let's go see what we got going on when it comes to CoinMarketCap. So we got 19 for the Fear and Greed Index. I think we're so close to just being from extreme fear to regular fear, which would be a little bit better. You know, fear is not good either way, but extreme fear is 10 times worse, in my opinion, than just being a little bit of afraid. And then neutral is just like, you don't know what to do. You're not afraid, but you're not happy. And then you're a little happy, and then you're like calling your friends, and you're super ecstatic when we get over here into the levels of the dark green. We are more in Bitcoin season than we are altcoin season. And we have the average crypto RSI at 49.3, which means people are just kind of holding. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to buy. They don't know what to sell. And they're just holding and hoping that it goes up. Bitcoin's not doing too bad. I mean, it's at 68,000. We got Ethereum at 1.975 or 19. I don't know what I'm saying. $1,175, and BNB 632, XRP $1.35, Solana 8704. I don't know if you guys seen this. Like, this is really cool. Like, I don't remember. I think they changed the logo, right? Made it like a moving logo. I think they did that. I don't remember that the last couple days. So I think that's pretty recent. Let me know in the comment section, when did they actually do this, if anybody knows. I'm kind of curious to know. We got Zcash at 220, Sui at 90 cent, Crow at 7.5 cents. So everything's kind of down-ish. Hyperliquid's up 12% for the week. And XRP is, let's see, kind of just staying still, and so is everything else. So that's kind of where we're at when it comes to the general markets. Let's see what we got going on with the Wall Street Bet Group. We have 6.5 thousand followers, so they are growing more and more every day. And then the Purpe Army has 20.3K followers. So, continuing to be excited, continuing to push. And if you can, just make a post, tell your friends, create a song about it, do something to help push Purpe. If you haven't seen the Kid and Wall show, it was pretty good. The explanation on how Purpe came about, how Chris kind of took it over. and how that all came about. So pretty exciting stuff if you guys want to go look at it. Maybe even more bullish. So super bullish. And let's see what they got going on when it comes to the Purpe on Solana, the X account. So 12.6K followers on X. We got this Purpe pool party, Cinco de Mayo, Tuesday, May 5th in Miami. So guys, there's a convention around Cinco de Mayo. So if you guys are in Miami, go ahead and head on over. They are having a pool party. So absolutely fun. They have a lot of people sharing it, hearting it. So I think there's going to be a good turnout. And I'll be working, but it's all right. Everybody that can go ahead and have some fun. And here's Purpe just like, doing his thing. Like, all right, yeah, this is going on in the background, but I'm still going to be doing my thing. I'm going to be doing my trading, right? I'm not going to let anything take me away. So here's the recording. If you guys want to go play it, go ahead and go play it on there. And yeah, so really exciting stuff, guys. Really exciting stuff. I think that Purpe definitely is continuing to push. The community is continuing to, be really excited about it. So really exciting stuff. So we got gold at 51.92, and let's see what we got for the silver price. Silver price at 85.33. And let's see what we got on the chart. So quarter one, we're negative 22% for Bitcoin. Quarter one, we're negative 33.5% for Ethereum. And we are just in the green. We're almost 2% in the green. So you guys continue to stock up. I know tax returns are I think going out. They went out last week. I know more is going out this week and the week after. So I think people are going to be stocking up on their favorite conviction play. So that is really awesome as well. So go ahead and stock up on some Purpe, and I think we are going to have I think we're going to be getting some good months. I mean, I know everything going on. I think something's going to happen the next couple weeks. We're going to hopefully there'll be some like peace treaty or whatever the case is, and then maybe we can do April, May, June, July, or a 4 months green, 5 months green, just like how we did it back in 2018 and then 2019. So we had a bunch of red months, a bunch of green months. So I think hopefully we can go ahead and do the same with that. We still got a whole bunch of, like I said, craziness going on in Iran and Saudi Arabia and all that stuff. So I think and hope that we will be able to kind of get out of that very soon. So let's see. And 60% think that we're gonna cease fire in this month. So there you go. That could be what that is. And then Fed rate decision, still 97% say no change in the rate. So people are kind of thinking, yeah, we may not get a rate cut, we may not get a rate hike, we're going to be no change. That is how it's going to go. And so I definitely think that if you are trying to trade these markets, guys, it is absolutely crazy. I think volatility is picking up, and I think that we are going to see some crazy things happen in the market. I do think just how Pepe did, I think it was 2023, where everything was going down, nobody was really paying attention to crypto. Pepe came and started pushing really hard and did some amazing things. I think Purple Pepe can do the same thing, and I think Purpe will do some pretty crazy awesome stuff. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let's take one more look. So guys, yeah, as long as we hold like the 16s, I think we'll be doing all right. So we got to hold those 16 levels. We wicked down, kind of came down. The bulls were like, "Yep, yeah, no, we're gonna pick back up." So we really need to pass. We really need to get back in the twos, right? We get like the mid twos, mid to high twos. I think we'll be doing pretty well. So I think from 2-1 to 2-3, we could probably go pretty quickly up. We might have a little bit to get up to 2-6, unless we just do like a blast off, right? If we do a blast off, I think we will be doing okay. So anyway, guys, that is it for. Sorry, I have like 3 screens, so my main laptop monitor is like hiding it. So anyway, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys